So all of you by now should feel empowered to go back to your shop and train your staff on the items that we just covered today. We'd also like to encourage you to don't waste any time doing it. The best way to learn is like you did today, learn, do it with your own fingers, and then go back to the shop and start putting these things in place. We also want to know is that after your foundation is built and nice and solid, so if you're doing inspection rate over 60% as an example, you're taking pictures, you're editing them, and you're getting them sent to the customer, then our product advisor or digital coach is going to move you into the next training after your foundation is strong called Impactful Pictures. And what that is about making the inspection results in general so impactful to the customer that they can get all the education they need from the content that you send them. They don't have to go looking for it anywhere else. And then they're going to call the shop and they'll be ready to talk about options and pricing. So this is the next level training that you'll be going to after you master the first levels. I'd like to encourage you that if you don't already belong to it, to sign up and join the Digital Shoptalk Forum. This is a place that's got over 3,200 people just like you, and they're there to help each other out, ask and answer questions. So I'd like to encourage you, first of all, to search. If the topic that you have of how do I do this or that isn't in there, I encourage you to ask that question. We don't allow topics that are things that are what you would perceive a problem with either the today's vehicle page or the tablet. What we want you to do is use the help button to do that. And there's a help button, a yellowish orange help button on today's vehicle page on a work order pop-up. There's a little triangle on the technician's tablet that they can submit a help ticket from there. Or on the business control panel, there's a nice blue question mark. And these are all areas that you can submit questions or help requests from. Again, the reason why we don't put these type questions on the Facebook forum is that we capture a lot of information just like you would if a check engine light comes on a car. There's freeze frame data. Well, we capture the same information from the today's vehicle page or the tablet, so that way we can get to the root cause of the problem quickly and efficiently without a lot of back and forth between the shop. I'd like to thank you for attending today. I'm going to be putting some links in the chat before I'm done. One of them is going to be for the smart markers. Another one is going to be for the technician tablet training video. I highly encourage the service advisors to go through and view that. So it's not just for the technicians. It's good to understand what the technician can do with the tablet. A digital standard operating procedure. And the last one I'm going to put in there is a link to this recording so that you can go back and play through any parts that you need to get up to date on. Maybe we went through a little bit fast. You can go to and find that section and press pause and play and get some reinforcement. And again, as you have new employees come on, these recordings are a very valuable tool to use for sure. So once again, thanks for coming. I'll be hanging on the line for another 2 minutes. And if I don't see any other questions come in, I'd like to thank everybody and wish you a great day and go make some money.